Here we are at GingerMan Raceway in Michigan. We have a private track day and we have a 1999 BMW E36 M3. This one is mostly stock. Never been on the track with it before, so we're gonna go ahead and try it out. Beautiful car. This is the Cosmo Schwartz Black. It has a really nice metallic flake in the sun. Beautiful car. Interior, we got the sand beige Vader seats. Super nice. But without further ado, we're just going to get straight to it. Go ahead and take it out on the track. We'll let these guys go ahead. This car only has 109,000 miles, about to turn 110. Beautiful interior. Yeah, they are.
So, practice.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks. So this car is mostly stock and it's on Michelin street tires. They're just Pilot Sports. We got the traction control on. I gotta turn that on. This is my local track, so I love this track. I'm biased towards it, but it is very popular. They host grid life here, tire rack test tires. We got all these car companies, manufacturers testing prototypes here all the time. So this is a pretty popular track in Southwest Michigan. so fun. I only get to do this twice a year. Guess what? I've only been on the track 3 times. Oh, 3 track days ever. This is my 3rd one. I've owned this car for over 10 years. Never been on the track before with it. Had to get it out here at least one time. Might be selling it. But after driving on the track now, man, I'm reconsidering. This is so fun. It's driving so well. Even with these soft H&R lowering springs. I can imagine this car, when it's set up for the track, obviously, would be unbelievable. Great practice for me. I really need it. Oops. Gotta get better on that one next time. TheTopher got a chance to drive it today, but unfortunately I'll have to go bring it to him. His area. Or maybe if I still have this car next year, I'll bring this to the track and then we'll do a video with TheTopher. That'd be really fun. Whoops, I messed this corner up again. Isn't that awful? That's what we're here for. We're here for practice. Going to do one more lap. See if I get that turn better. it's really fun driving on the street. Feels really good. This car is just super analog and mechanical. I can feel everything that it's doing. Very confidence inspiring. There we go. That's better. A lot better for me. Yeah, I need to be more aggressive with the brakes. Pretty damn happy with this car. Only a couple opportunities to do heel toe, which is nice. I can keep it in third gear. Forth a couple times. Heel toe. Always fun. What a blast. Car is holding up pretty well. I'm loving this. I know I keep saying that, but imagine having a car for over 10 years and finally being able to drive it. Actually drive it. I feel like right now, I feel like if I sell this car, I'm gonna make a mistake. But you know, there's always more cars. Just a car, it's just an object. My dad used to tell me, his mother used to say, never fall in love with something that can't love you back. But can a car love you back? Some would say yes. Huge thank you to TheTopher for hosting and inviting us all to this beautiful track day in Southwest Michigan, GingerMan Raceway. Man, doesn't get much better than this. I could go a lot faster around, but not there yet. Man, it's all about having fun, right? Feels like I'm flying, but getting a supercar Steering wheel's the same. Old. Brake. Oof. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Just love it. Can't get enough. I think I'm gonna make this my cool down lap. I'm gonna take it a little easy here. I can feel my brakes getting a little soft. So I do have to have my seat a little further back than normal because I'm a little too tall for this car with the helmet on. So my arms are a little further away than they should be. But, you know, I'm not racing for real. We're just having a good time, getting some practice in. Alright, this is it. Alright everybody, well, thanks for watching. Huge shout out to TheTopher. Also, huge shout out to M3 for letting me borrow his battery and SD card. He's a lifesaver. We love M3. We love TheTopher. We love Tover Drive. We love buying those magazines. So everyone, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Wonderful. Wonderful.